Hey guys, it's Bill, and welcome to my channel. Recently, I found a passion for cooking, and a bunch of my friends are asking for recipes. So here I am starting a YouTube channel to share my recipes of what I like to cook and eat. So today, I will be sharing with you one of my favorite dish, Korean barbecue short ribs, accompanied with amazing side dishes such as kimchi, pickled veggies, stir-fried anchovies, and of course fish cake. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the green onions using the white part in the marinade. And saving the greens for garnishing. Now let's peel the pear. Just cut it in half. Just slice it. Make sure you remove the seeds. So once you slice it, you're just gonna go ahead and cube it. Now you're gonna use around a cup of onions. So I'm going to use half of this onion. We're just going to go ahead and cube the onion. So with 2 pounds of meat, you're going to go ahead and put it in a large bowl. And in goes the pears and the onions and the whites of the green onions. You're gonna go ahead and mix the marinade with the meat and marinate this overnight. So if you're cooking the short ribs on flame or charcoal, you don't need oil, but since I'm cooking on a pan, I'm just using a little bit of oil. Cook for 4 minutes on each side. Now flip it. Okay, that's it with the Korean barbecue, guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you like more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.